I don't
Yeah.
know any millionaires who've kept any considerable amounts of money in the bank. Period.
Right.
End of
Right.
story. And that kind of leads me into our meat on the bone segment for kicking off 2023, and that's all about rebalancing your portfolio. So if you are one of those people who finds themselves with a considerable amount of money just sitting in an account at the bank, whether it's a checking account, whether it's a savings account, whether it's a money market account, we need to talk, okay? Because the stock market always has its ups and it always has its downs, and some sectors overperform and then others underperform. And 2022 last year was a pretty grim year for most of those sectors. So by rebalancing your portfolio either to its original asset allocation, so if you're a relatively new investor, okay, you would want to do that, or if you want to update your asset allocation, especially if things have kind of gotten out of whack. So say that when you started investing 30 years ago, you had a 70% risk portfolio. In other words, 70% of your money was exposed to the volatility of the market. And now you are in the retirement red zone, right? You're either in those 5 years right before or the 5 years immediately starting out retirement. You need to definitely rebalance your portfolio and take steps to lock in the gains from the sectors that had the best returns and protect those dollars that are in the sectors that had the largest loss or that had lagged behind. Now, if you rebalance your portfolio with a broker, they are likely charging you up to 5.5% in rebalancing fees. That's not a fee efficient strategy in my mind. Okay. We recommend that you work with somebody who has your best interest in mind and who looks to save you money. Okay. Not lose more of it and then rub salt in the wound by charging you to do so.